Hey guys, what's up? Back with another vlog this week, obviously. And this week we were basically going more into Fusion 360 to learn how to use the program so we can finally model these headphones and get things rolling. I'm still very confused on using the program. Looked at a lot of videos and it's not helping, but I'm trying. So far, this is where I'm at in my design. Well, not really design, just like trying to lay down some shapes. There's me. Ignore the red stuff on my face. That's from that weird rash I had. LOL. Yeah. So I just have a shape right now. I can't figure out how to move it. And yeah, so I'm gonna ask a bunch of people tomorrow how to manage that. So yeah, that's all that I have for this week. And I'll be back next week, hopefully with a finished design in Fusion. Probably my printed files too. And we'll see how these headphones come out.